Hey guys, before I start today's video, I just want to thank everyone who watches my videos and for all the support I've been given over the last year and a half since I started YouTube. We're close to approaching to 10K. I know we can get to 10K pretty soon for subs. If you could just like the video and subscribe if you like what we're doing here. In today's video, I'm going to be installing LED reverse lights. These came from a company called BMW They contacted me asking if I wanted to have some LED lights for my car. Now my car is mostly all LED. The only thing I'm missing is the reverse lights. These are LED, this is LED, my whole interior is LED, front's LED. I mean, I do have xenon headlights, but everything else is LED. These are LED, so I did want to upgrade my reverse lights to be LED. I just think it looks better and newer. The only other thing I'd like to do is do the Euro fog, rear fog light in the future. I don't know when I'll do that. Just been looking into it now. But with that being said, let's get into today's video. The only things needed for this install basically are just the bulbs themselves and some sort of plastic pry tool. So you know every install I basically do has a plastic pry tool. So let's get into it. All right, to do this, the only thing you really need to take off are these two plastic clips, and to do that you want to take a plastic pry tool under it and get into it, in between it, and you can pull right out and it comes out just like that. And then we also need to do the other one over here, which is the same exact process. Now mine probably come out just a little easier because I've already done it. You can go as far as unscrew the toolbox and take out all these, but to get to it you kind of can. I know it's probably not the best thing, but you can fold it down. It is pliable and pretty easy to move. And now that you have that off, all you have to do is just push in on this clip. Pushes in one way or the other. So push the clip towards you if you're looking at it, so towards you, and then there's a connector under here that we can pull off, and I think that just pushes in as well too. Yep, just push in on it and it comes off. And fold that back up for the time being. Now that we have this piece off, you can see it's pretty easy. We can, let me grab my old bulb real quick, maybe my new bulb. So now that we have the bulb off, pull the bulb like that, and let me get a better shot for you guys. So now that the bulb is off, the new one simply goes in like that. Only goes in one way. So it's in and twist. So you push in on it, only goes in one way. Push in hard and twist to the right, and now it is secure, and we can install this one back in. It's pretty easy. It's really simple. These ones are projector styles. Hopefully they will be a little brighter. So let's install this now. Again, pull down on here, push the connection back in. Now this should only line up one way. And just push in on the tab. Sometimes you have to push in on it to actually get it to seat. Now that it's in. So now what I'm going to do is, it does fit, I'm going to go do the other one and then we'll test them out. As you can see, they look awesome. I love the way they look. They look so much more modern. And tonight I will do some shots of showing you guys what it looks like at night, so you can really see how they look. So here's a shot of what the lights, the reverse lights, look at night. As you can tell, they are super bright. As you can see my my LED license plates, and you can see how light the actual reverse lights are. I know it's kind of hard for you to tell because they do overexpose, but they are super bright even compared to the LED brake lights. Just not obviously me hitting the brake, but what they look like at night. A couple things I forgot to mention is you do not need to code your car for these to work. I have no light on my dash showing that the
that a light fault is out, which is a good thing. So you don't need to worry about coding them. And I forgot to mention, I will be putting a link. I think I forgot to mention, at least, that I'll be putting a link of where you can get these in the description. I highly suggest them. They have that projector look, so they're super bright. They're pure white, perfect white. They really go with my LED license plate lights from Bimland Performance. A very good complement. It's a pure white bright, super bright, because they are projectors. So far I absolutely love them. They are an awesome complement to the car. Now my car is fully LED, everything on it. So I just thought I'd give you guys a quick look at night of what they look like. Let me see if I can bump my ISO down a couple more so you guys can see. So that's at auto. Let me go up a couple more. I think that will, just so you can actually see the color and not see how they're overexposed, but they are very, very bright. Anyways, that's it for this video. Any comments, leave them down in the description.